How does forensic science impact the criminal justice system? If you have ever wondered how forensic science helps solve crimes and ensure justice, you are about to find out. Let us break it down step by step. Forensic science is all about using scientific methods to analyze evidence from crime scenes. This evidence can be anything from DNA samples to fingerprints and even digital data. Here's how it all works together to impact the criminal justice system. In cases of homicide or murder, forensic evidence like DNA analysis, ballistics, and autopsy reports are crucial. These help prosecutors identify the perpetrator, determine the cause of death, and link the suspect to the crime scene or victim. For example, DNA analysis can compare DNA profiles from suspects to those found at the crime scene, establishing a strong connection between the two. In sexual assault cases, forensic evidence plays a vital role. DNA analysis of biological samples collected from the victim's body or clothing can identify the assailant and corroborate the victim's account of the assault. This evidence is often the key to proving the identity of the perpetrator. For crimes like burglary and theft, forensic evidence such as fingerprints, DNA, and trace evidence can identify suspects and link them to the crime scene. This helps establish their involvement in the crime and builds a strong case against them. Arson cases rely heavily on forensic evidence from fire investigators. They analyze burn patterns, debris, and accelerants to determine the cause and origin of the fire, which can help identify suspects responsible for the crime. In drug-related cases, forensic evidence includes chemical analysis of controlled substances and drug paraphernalia. This evidence can prove illegal drug manufacturing, distribution, or possession, supporting the prosecution's case against defendants. Forensic science also aids in white-collar crimes through forensic accounting and financial analysis. These techniques help trace financial transactions, uncover hidden assets, and prove illegal activities like embezzlement, fraud, and money laundering. The process of using forensic evidence involves several steps. First, investigators collect evidence from the crime scene. Then, this evidence is analyzed using scientific methods in forensic labs. For instance, DNA evidence is collected from blood, saliva, hair, or skin cells and compared to DNA profiles obtained from suspects. To ensure the reliability and authenticity of the forensic evidence, prosecutors must establish the chain of custody. This means documenting the handling, storage, and transfer of evidence from the crime scene to the courtroom. Evidence logs, custody transfer forms, and laboratory reports are used to demonstrate that the evidence has been properly preserved and handled throughout the investigative process. Forensic experts also prepare detailed reports that outline their findings, analysis, and conclusions. These reports are submitted as evidence in trials and provide jurors with comprehensive information about the forensic evidence, supporting the prosecution's arguments about the defendant's guilt. Despite its importance, forensic science is not without its challenges. There have been instances where the scientific basis of certain forensic techniques has been questioned. However, ongoing research and development aim to improve the reliability and efficiency of forensic testing, ensuring that justice is fairly applied. In summary, forensic science is a powerful tool in the criminal justice system, helping to identify perpetrators, link them to crime scenes, and establish guilt or innocence. Its impact is felt across various types of crimes, from homicides to white-collar offenses, and it continues to evolve with advancements in technology and scientific methods.